During the Redmi Turbo 4 mobile phone launch conference, Xiaomi officially unveiled the Redmi Note 14 Pro. Good luck Red New Year edition. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Redmi Note 14 Pro Good Luck Red New Year edition brings with the same high class specification as original device while adding a more attractive design. In this limited version, the coloring is a dark red to symbolize good luck for the new year. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Good Luck Red retains all powerful features that have made the series popular. There is a 6.67 inches OLED flexible hyperbolic display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and refresh rate is 120 Hz. There is an IP68 dust and water resistant. The New Year edition comes in dark red, while the other options still are twilight purple, phantom blue, mirror porcelain white, and midnight black. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra and 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. There will be a triple camera setup. Main sensor is 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with 2 megapixel macro lens. Front camera will be 20 megapixel. The smartphone has an in-display fingerprint reader. There will be 5500 mAh battery with fast charging support of 45 watt. That's all for now and thanks for watching.